Making predictions with passive voice and will. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting topic: how to make predictions using will in the passive voice. This is a tool that can give your English a whole new level of fluency and variety, so let's get started. Before we jump into making predictions, it's crucial to understand what we mean by using will and the passive voice. The modal verb, will, is commonly used to talk about the future, especially when we are predicting something. On the other hand, the passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of a sentence becomes the subject. For example, consider this active sentence: the chef will prepare the dinner. In passive voice, this becomes: the dinner will be prepared by the chef. We've used will for prediction and the passive voice to shift focus from the doer to the action. Now that we've brushed up on the basics, let's dive into making predictions in the passive voice. We use this structure when we want to talk about something we believe will happen in the future, and the focus is more on the action rather than who is doing it. The structure is quite simple: subject plus will plus be plus past participle. For example, the work will be finished by tomorrow. Here, the prediction is that the work will indeed be finished, but we don't emphasize who will do it. The best way to get the hang of this is to practice. So, let's consider a few more examples. 1. Active: they will announce the results tomorrow. Passive: the results will be announced tomorrow. 2. Active: she will deliver the speech at the event. Passive: the speech will be delivered at the event. Notice how the passive sentences focus more on the event happening than who is causing it. As you use will in the passive voice, remember that the passive voice is all about shifting the focus to the action itself or the recipient of the action. It's especially useful when the doer of the action is unknown or unimportant. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this structure, the more naturally it will come to you. And that's it for today's lesson on making predictions with will in the passive voice. I hope this was insightful and will help you further refine your English grammar skills. Keep practicing, keep predicting, and keep learning. See you in the next lesson.